Your phone wallet has 5 attack surfaces: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the operating system, the App Store, and you. I'm Rachel from ChainSense. Here's how to lock down every single one. Mobile wallets are the most convenient way to interact with crypto. Tap, sign, done. But convenience comes at a direct cost to security. Your phone is a general-purpose device. It runs hundreds of apps, connects to dozens of networks, and is online 24 hours a day. Every app is a potential vulnerability. Every network connection is a potential point of interception. Here are the 5 attack surfaces in detail. Bluetooth. If you pair a hardware wallet via Bluetooth, like Ledger's Nano X, the connection is encrypted. But Bluetooth protocols have had vulnerabilities. Blueborn, Knob, Blurtooth, all exploited Bluetooth stacks on millions of devices. Public Wi-Fi networks are trivial to spoof. An attacker sets up a network called Starbucks Wi-Fi and intercepts all traffic. If you're interacting with a DeFi protocol on public Wi-Fi, your transaction data is exposed. Operating system. Both Android and iOS have had zero-day vulnerabilities. Security flaws exploited before they're patched. A compromised OS means everything on your phone is accessible, including wallet keys stored in the app's encrypted storage. App Store. Fake wallet apps regularly appear on Google Play and even Apple's App Store. They look identical to real apps, collect your seed phrase during setup, and drain your funds. In 2025, over 40 fake crypto wallet apps were removed from major app stores. And the 5th surface, you. Social engineering, fake support messages, phishing links that look like wallet notifications. The human element is the weakest link in every security system. You can't eliminate these risks, but you can reduce them dramatically. Here's my mobile security hardening checklist. Device hygiene. Use a dedicated phone for crypto if you can. No social media apps, no random downloads, no games. Every extra app is an extra attack surface. If a dedicated phone isn't practical, at minimum, keep your crypto wallet in a separate user profile or secure folder. OS discipline. Enable automatic updates. Both Android and iOS patch security vulnerabilities regularly. Every day you delay an update is a day you're exposed. Use biometric authentication, Face ID or fingerprint, as your phone lock. Set auto lock to 30 seconds. Network rules. Never interact with crypto on public Wi-Fi. Use mobile data or a trusted VPN. Disable Bluetooth when you're not actively using it. Turn off Wi-Fi Auto Connect. Your phone shouldn't join networks without your explicit approval. App verification. Only download wallet apps from the project's verified website, not from App Store search results. Those can include promoted fakes. After installing, verify the app developer name and download count. Major wallets have millions of downloads. Transaction safety. Always verify the recipient address on your hardware wallet screen, not just on your phone. Enable transaction simulation. Many modern wallets show you exactly what a transaction will do before you sign. If something looks wrong, reject it immediately. Notification hygiene. Crypto wallet notifications should never display balances or transaction details on your lock screen. Configure notifications to be hidden until the phone is unlocked. A visible balance on a lock screen is an invitation for physical theft. Mobile wallets aren't inherently bad. They have a specific role in your security hierarchy. Mobile wallets are appropriate for small, daily amounts you use regularly. DeFi transactions you need to execute quickly. Checking portfolio balances and interacting with dApps on the go. Think of your mobile wallet as your physical wallet. You carry some cash, not your entire savings. How much is some? My rule: never keep more on a mobile wallet than you'd comfortably carry as cash. For most people, that's a few hundred to a few $1,000s. Enough to be useful, not enough to be devastating if lost. Mobile wallets are not appropriate for long-term storage of significant holdings. More than a few $1,000s, your entire portfolio, any amount where loss would meaningfully impact your financial situation. The combination approach works best. Use your phone with Tangent's NFC card. It gives you hardware wallet security with mobile wallet convenience. Your keys stay on the Tangent card. Your phone displays the interface. The signing happens on the card, not in the app. Or use Keystone's QR code scanning with your phone camera. Air-gapped signing with mobile initiation. Your phone creates the transaction, Keystone signs it offline, and your phone broadcasts the signed result. Both of these options give you the mobile experience without exposing your private keys to the phone's attack surfaces. That's the real solution, not avoiding mobile entirely, but using it as an interface while keeping keys on dedicated hardware. Your phone is the most convenient crypto tool you own, and the most attacked. Lock it down, keep amounts small, and let hardware wallets handle the real security. For the complete guide to hardware wallets and security strategy, check the Hub video linked in the description. Visit my website for the full mobile wallet security checklist. Subscribe to ChainSense. Comment: are you using a dedicated crypto phone, or is that overkill? This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. See you in the next video.